Yama waiko
Ibrahim Kakra.
Ebisa Agyapong kraki Eastebo wo constituency hayi ayo bia ni gise ende ya be hia ha se be hia ha de ba ko pe entina ye ba aye ona ye former vice ye former chairman any hello ayezu ya gina mu ha me mamu nyina yiko se aya ya gina ha ya kwe ya gina ha ayezu ase choboy ana ya gina ha no a president former vice president former president John Dramani mama ntine yo hanum Ezu aye president nti aye be hia mu hano ya show T region bosse yama obia kwaba yama obia kwaba send president gira ye nemu hayi T region Kraki East yeah abatu aye babeto expa
abusia fo be chacha munyina ma munyina akwa abasronko edon ba rasmi dia so na nwumre efi ha ye de yes yakeka ne ma bom atoto ne ma ene ye bebie ne ma bi so e de akyerenti meso se wa ba na wa like video na wa share na wa comment so ne ehu ne ya chia o se de ye bibia ha e Ras Media GH ye live on YouTube and ye sanso live on Facebook join ye na ene ye ne eni enkomo the comics we a NDC show part 2 Kennedy Agyapong supporters part 3 and I sanso last one His Excellency John Mahama en kontompone nabraba na abusiamfo before I be come no ene NDC for eco ready one budget now you see hey listen to something budget na utie ye no ma me mubu mu emfa nkyerɛw just 1 second not to there is nothing new NDC for in that budget a MPP for ne ma omo ye eno aso na NDC for nam ena omo de ji omo dine. In fact, at the end, no, ono ankasa can say or the MPP for us. So the electronic means of collecting revenues, taxes, eba Ghana maimu. Omo be implemented. Omo de ba be yejuma. At the end of cancer asem no. But let me tell you something which is very, very simple. And some to force in Kotana Parliament where ne or country Ghana for and say the public debt now. Na adolso ebere bi mu no na amagana fo ye ho akire na ye ntumi nkoba bia nkojisika na nso na ene nyankopon adom sa public debt no eni ho biem omo ntumi ateso ma na ba forma ene even the World Bank and your single international market no ene Ghana so mra meje bosia but say nipa kro na no okona nim su kakra na waka kiro say na nado danko akufo ado de ye public debt no Ochi corner nim and until 2027. I will bet Piaka be a canoso. Into another one home, but I'm one home. One home, young Cassan is Sicano. One home moderate. The question that I'm asking you, say, in Tisa Cananado, actually question 2027, any 2028, no. Senka one tree and Quanco Shahon and Cow or Manica, your public debt and so and now. At to force it. Could you have the chance to go to the world market to borrow? It is not a new problem. They don't understand common mathematics. And now say public debt above form. When yaje, also why you maneuver, one kasa, one manage the economy, my public debt, no chance ya bem. O can't try and say, Nanado the cabinum or mining cabinum 2027, any 2028. Enti sa buying Nanado, I'm one home modern. Ato force in it. Asema Missumi Bisa on a set. Enti Sankasa Sikana, Nanado de Koshe 2027. any 2028 say ye betua and ye part of the public debt no senka ye na wo se wuntua enka percentage of public debt no nke beda 48 na wo ka no. Well, a common sense. And the NDC did nothing new in this 1.5 years in governance. They are just, taking the glory from the MPP after the crisis. And this, if we pick just the glory, a glory na no mo pick. MPP for Jumadrena moye and no NDC for this some fast. In fact, gold purchasing program, this is not the way that it was meant to function. The intention of gold purchase program now, modi sterilize economy, no dollar, never form no. That was not the means. It was for different issue. Reserve, international reserve, no kaya bone pay. Nesi di nenya na ho odena ye natural. But to krofo we ba hwede omo ye. Ka beto ho, omo nka ho asem na no the finance minister ɔsi ɛnɛ deɛ ɔmo nkɔ ɛnyɛ dɛ ɛnkɔ support gold a gold board mo ɔmo nto gold biem ɔmo bɛtwe ɔmo ho afiri ɔmo ho because ɔmo ahu sɛ ka na ɔmo bɔ na ano ɛdene ɛnɛ dollar na ati nkansen wodi anya ntobaseɛ it is coming but nyɛ ne nti ɛnɛ yɛ ba ha budget na ɛbɛhyɛ na ba bɛdi ho nkɔmɔ na sese yɛn nkɔ yɛn nim na yɛn ni nkɔmɔ ɛmfa nsɛm bi ho abusua kyama wuntumi asɛm a ba abɛto hɔ yi ayɛ amensɛm mpɛ sɛ mɛka bi. Now, there is something very strange in what has happened to Chama Wuntumi. Asem wene to Chama Wuntumi no. Miya bariba. Senke wo man bi amra eye adwuma. Nka Massimo ebetumi dia ma Chama Wuntumi ne se ye be fund no some huge sums of money. Na ebia nka ya ban no from having any affairs with mining issues. Because me about tell me yo, simple mathematics, simple common sense, home sense. Tieni Judge na nkese chama wuntumi ankasa akoye galamsey o say chama wuntumi asase so ena nipa foforo akoye galamsey. Abusha Assassin Chama Wuntumi Koji and one Kojini in the name of Meme Chama Wuntumi and Chibosi Ako, or Kojini in the name of a contaminants. Enti a company, a firm. Enti Sawaba, Masasa so. Me am about report to actually so be a galam so Masasa so. Now a banoa babeche nipa corona. And nipa na ukotu no or ye galam say no. Ono na ewo se wo punish no for what? For imprisonment and na ase for. Na company no ne director na awoye negligent one hwe unsupervised asase no prevent from say amanfo be garam say wo so no. Sa nipa no you either fine him huge sums of money. Na wasan ka say onkata amana ni nyina so and from there na wasana ban no completely say no money nye mining activity biem ewo na brabom ewo Ghana mine and obetama dia 15 years in 15 years don't go close to mining activities. This is where when law works judgment are being done. My main example nchro it said the European say European companies bit say company bia oye yen kan say a transport. Na company ni ye a company nipa mienu anambiansa na ye omo dia na omo afa drivers omo ni omo ye adwuma se driver ni bi the car no kobo obi wa abontene a driver na okita car no ono na commit crime in action. Hey, simple thing. I don't understand why the NDC I can understand. Se driver the car kobo obi o twi company car no the kobo obi a enipa ye jiri no any the driver, the one who did the action. Nipa na oye adie no. Ono na ye di severe punishment in the mano. Entia so be the company ka kobo obi a sa nipa no ye de ne kotum driver ne ye de ne kotum because we come obi. Na ya fan company no because they are responsible. Entia ba ne sa the legal representative of the company. the company ne asset and a tua compensation at the man nipa na car na akwa akobono. And any other form of punishment, a director or legal representative of a firm, able to me I receive you as a form of a punishment. Where a natural law, you don't need to be a doctor degree, you don't need to have a university PhD or whatever. Where a common pure sense. I dey talk my mind, bro. Entimona amuti achira. Mose chama wuntumi ewudini no yenkokum no mu hwɛ ni ye pa, because that judgment is not a judgment, enye legal judgment, eye emotional, eye persecution, eye me ye will be me kyerɛ where to me day, eye I want to show you that you are nobody. That is why chama wuntumi is now in the prison. Now no me catch you say Mahama ni chama wuntumi ntokwa edo muntam no enye nra na hye ase enye nra since then 2013 ena chama wuntumi ne Mahama de atentam so Mahama te akonwa ma otete chama wuntumi nya tumi a oka de opedi chem jo Mahama entie ye ntokwa give and take na ekoso, and this is what we call on a way enye democracy, because chama wuntumi no na oka de opedi kire wo so about mu a soma nkrofo mo nka de omopemfa nkire chama wuntumi, but you don't abuse office power to settle your personal matters with someone. That is what we are talking about. Entimona amuti akire na musumani agye wo de woma moni nje na yesi first time ye baaye ye be chi carpenter fo ne kokumom me na me yekuani me se emfa me ho ye ohwa ne be chi teacher fo ne kokum won me a me yekuani no me se ye nka me ntie emfa me ho ene ye be chi bankers ne kum won me se me yekuani emfa me ho ye baaya be chi nurses fo kum won me se me de me yekuani emfa me ho omo samba next time no na yekuafo no mba be chi de yakọ on se matna ho abọ me ho abro enti e wo se ye nkasa ye nyina ye nkasa ma bibi ento nkrofo weti mu se we voted for them to give them the authority to manage our affairs, but we are not their slaves. Tiemiyepa. Yeah. We must to agitate. We must to agitate and tell them, say, the leaders of the country. We did not voted for them to come and be a detectors of the motherland. They are not supposed to come and detect for us. Now they are Montana. John Mahama proposed the parliament I see offend the tribunals at the district level. No, another wagadre to punish people for not doing nothing wrong. And I know me said that frame me back. And I many din come say on church me mu ye. Bra na roden se tsunami akura kakra. Enti bia manhu ne ma ye nti on church be mu ye. Tribuna asem no. Ebi abagana pe na eko sen. Bra. Ma me ne ka kire me se tribuna ho no. Enya judge fo na omuti ho. Omo ye nkrofo bi no ma omo society no, because you see let the society also work in the society in the judiciary. Enti nkrofo mpanyimfo bi no ma omo society no ye fra omo a ye fra omo mu mienu a na ya pe lawyer ni baako na de omo akotena wo se omo nkodi amanfo asem. Enti sa tribunal so na ma me ka kire me se enye se ye de mra constitution legislator no kwa akoto ade na waye ne ho na de abuafo ana de obua obi mo emotional ubeduru ho a ye hwe wani ma de ye feel for you no ene na ye de buafo. Enti ma me ka kire me se enamoso ma tribunal no NDC for you su ye didije amanfo ajapade afiri wonsem ebu amanfo kumu fo me kunkum amanfo de amanfo koto mu jeji won ajapade ekoso a enkopem se mo beka ya judge fo bi ma ye kokun won a akire enso ne to ye ma ye kopie so a ye kan ho asem no sa na ye se sa judges no omo ne sori gina so se Sa judgment na every tribunals Lawrence de na ba no enye constitutional enti no say ye de sa judgment no ba na ye omokoye appeal wo ko sa judges wey sa judge ekokuma omo no ye de tribunal case no ekọ omo nchen a omo tumi ye de reverse the judgment of the tribunal enam we so nti a ekokuma judge fo a na maame bi ka ho ana sabio o ma ne ba no fo a ye kum no into that issue of tribunal, no, a abuse of power. It is an injustice. It is subjudicial. A high level of justice, and as a judicial, just a way of manipulating the judgment, deciding whom you want to arrest, not by law, incarcerating people, not by law, killing people, not by law. That is what the tribunal is for. Because I am rana yedi ye juma. And to say a transina yati ya Mahama de Saudi we yaba. Kayu se mi barima. Wone papa bi ne tintamu. Ompe wani mahwe. Na ya bwana na nyankopon adom ya yede na akwatan tribunal so ye panyini wontam honti onko ye tribunal judge onko school da o onim mmra o anipa sumpe wani mahwe entimi abami ma se sabio ade bi si ewo woni obi ntam na ye de wasem kokot ho a ye de ko tribunal ho a sa papa na oto no de ben judgment na ode be ma o de obetum me ma amene se sa tie we nam so ma nipa bebre ebufuyi enam so manipa bebre hwede wona busuanfo bebre dwane free Ghana o se amanfo mpona na omo business minded factories nkrofo na omo produce niema Ghana maimu. They run away from Ghana because of these tribunals, because they wasem ko ho a ye ni asem no with the law. And in 2026, a time where technology is governing the world, Yenya president ya over the courage to look into your face as a Ghanaian and say, we are going back to that era. Hey, and Ghanaians are cool. Hey, you guys don't know what is coming to happen to you. People don't know what is going to happen in the country. There has been an experiences of this type before. Enya de mono said the mo koto aba ye ka kyem se Mahama onya de mono bi oye dada na on to me nya hwe ma o mining kona ni mo manje ni no. This is the same thing that they want to reintroduce, something that did not work, something that did not do justice, something that give the leaders the authority to incarcerate people and confiscate some people's properties without any law backing it. This is what they want to do. And you see a better now, I see and this for. Yeah, and this for. Yeah, we support that. Musisi Tribuna, Monfanchi MPP for Nguma. Your time is coming. Your time is coming. Because, or trebi papa be trade books or can be or say a man who laugh when he see the downfall of another man is a completely foolish man. The best thing a man can do when he sees his fellow man falling down, the best thing you can do is to learn something from that and protect yourself with your experience. And to move this for me back in the phone supporters and some form or money a special thing. Me ba ho nya to wase. And to move this for na and more sano. Can we say the law judge we edit so the JD chama won to me say uncle them 20 years no. A MPP for na amende from 5 years to minimum of 15 to 25. Entienne and I see a teacher for. And you see a teacher for. So see you creating so on Kasa, what you it will come to your doors. It will come right to your doors and they will pick you that time. Ebiana Sabreno. That won't to mean fre. Sabio, why I see don't get ya a man because he was having I see don't get ya is powerless. Jebiepa. Ivasankama said Kwabena J father was amazing. He was a big businessman. And a B father or two was a big businessman. And yet tribunas and a man crofo in a Johnny Frigana, my mo and toothpaste to cry to the frabon, and the bagana mime. And to the Momo de day. Momo de Munyese, Mumma ninja, more enjoy. Your time is coming. Yeah. As I said, dear. Nentwie ni dia anko ne to no saa na enko okomfo nso ne nsem obanyansafo ye bu ne be na yenka na sem yento aso na yenko yanim to the next topic. Chaba wontumi eda prison. Yes, enra yewura odene ho nyansafo kese nimdifo Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumia ekosrano ewo Nsawam. Yenhwe video no mra.
Yema ba bedu no ba ene so no awon keka ne nkomo no etisen. Afa chairman kra no wo mahunu ana.
Nana odi kan tu Agyapong yi mu. Ona bo tumi ene kwedo Agyapong se Nsawam ye fie 20 years. Wana ekukuta ma ho kan ewu Edikan aba Nsawam prison in Brimbrian aba be share omodesie wontumi nemu mami teso nipa abipia video film hanom Dr. Bawumia honorable Fredplay and so hanom honorable afternoon marking our minority leader ononku hanom me no ka say mampum MP ora amprichon also ever hanum aye was free and me is still regional party executive besides in some so executive anything omako from timpa ever hanum almost almost a chairman which we can Dr. Bawumia and no mamu afenomaki a party chairman or human chairman the almost insider in prepare PM IM want to change want to meet him essay Nia almost can call ya who buy it say the people papa pay and over share then would be every a court a BD who fish and I would say Wafaya would now so motion TV the TV the balance of security and very tight and what the and jump on Ibiama at home share Sendia Tibiano at Abraham, but in prepare no say, Dr. Bawumia, honorable Phenoma Kenny, a Kukudama, Kabi woman PPD, inside Su, and Omnipa, honorable, can say, MPP chairman or work Masi, a Gusu, Asian TB minister.
Yes, and Tiyura Bawumia, Eco PMU, Ewo, Nsawam, say, or Konaka Kochia, Charmine or Deneho won't to me. In fact, Dr. Bawumia, any MPP leadership, any your attitude. And in some way, money chamawun to me, any menace pobia. Now, I'm very, very happy. I am the pa. Wouldn't the Emede? I am the said the MPP leadership. I mean, you video in front of human. Oh, yeah. MPP leadership. I recognize it chamawun to me arrest, you know. As a political persecution. Because Nkebeya say MPP from point for the organizer said Chamawun to me, he had not caught him because of politics. And I'm a video view as Obekaya. Yura Mahama shared up there and says he from a patch Chamawun to me a chow. So Umbra Maya and this me. And a chama say on tenacity. And I'm apparently okay. So also in Tema said there, you will see I'm the president. ya want to me and in that period. Or said in Yemanyina, but the guy revived again. Because although MPP Amanyo Kuno. Now you know what is very, 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 very important in this. MPP for recognize the charm I want to know. Abusia. The most important part of the of this issue, Nina and say, Chama won to me. I can because accusations na ye de bo Chama won to me. Sa accusations are hodo bebre na ebe go abon trene hwane. Minyaba ni ma. Uyam pipi ni adwene ko akire. A political movement binom. Many of them were not even for the young can say Chama won to me's own benefit. Many of the accusations on Chama won to me, they weren't his personal what benefit. That was not the aim of what he did. Some of the things that they are saying about him. It's a political movement. But because Chama won to me is a mature politician, as up to now, upon all the arrests, many times that he has been held in court, Chama has not betrayed MPP in even a second, in 1 second. Chama won to me on this encrophobinom. Akutia be an imnura. Chama won to me, hey, bra, or your body man kasa. Chama won to me know what is it about. Chama won to me know what time is it for sure. Because said ye akwana Chama won to me ne kwaye adwuma no. Utemi ye. Said ye Chama won to me ga na one ne kwaye adwuma no to me kodi adanse editi a Chama won to me no. Chama won to me too could witness something to let NDC carry away one big person from the MPP. Because Chama Woon to me was one of the pillars of the MPP. So he know a lot of things. But Chama has remained absolute royal to his party. He has remained absolute royal to the party. Loyal to the party and also royal. Watch so MPP this year. So the movement at Dr. Bawumia, any the leadership of the party or muye and no and rano, a top notch. It shows appreciations. It shows brotherhood. It shows belongingness. And it even encourage Chama to me. So as I encourage even the youth outside of MPP before. The way things are going now, Chama to me pray in a cast very, very, very well. MPP leadership too has played their cast well. This is how when you are part of a party, you don't betray the party because of your personal interest, because of your personal what you need. You must be a party supporter. And when you love a party, it is not the people in the party that you love. Oh, you love the ideology of the party. So you commit yourself to be loyal to the party, and you consider yourself as a this year royal of the party. And for that matter, you hold hard extreme to your loyalty of the party. But empire binum sadie way. Omonibi. And this salute Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumia salute. What bo homodre. Chairman won to me. Nyankopon ebe bo ho ban why? Nyankopon be bo ban pa. Ah. Na say Collins Dauda 200 million odie e was agreement $270 million ye jano Akwa we governor of Bank of Ghana. Another chrono kese Ogu Ghana financial system. Upon form and no Quran and this for jar. Chamai. In the accusations letters, the accusations are judge in the general so de ebua chamawun to me for no one kaba be say chamawun to me afa Ghana sika capre adi. There is nowhere that he wrote that. But be as you can say chamawun to me ankasa koye galam say. And chamai, stay where you are with the focus say the future is bright. It's very bright for you. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia and the leadership of the party must show brotherhood, serious one. Diaka and I hear. Diaka and I hear. I was meeting any Brass Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. No TikTok, so can message subscribe to the channel. Like a video, no comment. Now follow me too on Facebook and on TikTok. Just for the comments, you try your home, Emra Cecilia.
Election with this speech.
Ayezu, ayeza. Eba mo ase. Ye mo bunyina yuko. Ajumapa Kraki East Ebo ma NDC. Ye mo wa yuko. Ibrahim Kakra. Ebisa Ajumapa Kraki East Ebo wo constituency hayi. Ayo bia ni ji se ende ya be hia ha se be hia ha de ba ko pe entina ye ba aye ona ye former vice ye former chairman any hello ayezu ye jina mu ha me mamu nyina yuko se aye ye jina ha ye kwe Ejira ha Ezu Choboy Ane ejira ha numwa President Former Vice President Former President John Dramani Mama Ntine yo hanum Ezu President nti aye be hia mu ha no ye sha oti region boss ya mo bia kwaba ya mo bia kwaba send the president gira ye nemu hayi oti region Kraki East ye abatu aye babeto expa
ya mo bia akwaba ene ye gina ha ya Kraki East abusiamfo enkrofo we ene ye the chairman omokoye adwuma ema papa we ebedi ye so etide ye hu na ye number so wo enkrofo we omo na omo ye the party members ye be gina ha ya wa wudi ye kwade say abusia ye mfa we nto ho na ye nko we for just the memes, the comic part of my show anyway abusia ye do so na ye video be likes no from me so say but more than na like video no na yenko ya nim na enye fe mesra wa say like video no na ja comments so na yenye de yentumi nkama me even sankama say Mahama always think backwards. Mahama will be disgraced very soon. That is from Ivan Sankama. Me Mr. Keba, they must say good evening, bro. Mama, yeah, yes, I'm walk up PM. Me kwa mo akon me chia ye pa on Facebook. Yento asuna yenko ya nim na ye ja niema engum. Abusia ma share that na say aye studies bi. Na studies na me ye na de ba abontene nyina ne say. MPP fo binu ma omo se omo ye MPP fo. Na mbom no se eba ne se yekoto abade yi obi mana bedi yanim e wo MPP amanyoko no ma omo de Canada Agyapong no omo hu ne se oye the only person a obetumi serve party no. Mame akua afro me mo akwa ba yie pa afro papa bi ho te se bajote me yie pa omo so omo ye MPP for bet eba ne se ye yi obi mana akwa akodi MPP party na ni mo a omo de Kennedy Japan omo do no obia ne omo omo obia ne omo any problem. It is cool, it is fine. Na mahu niema bi wo media num since when Chama Wontumi was arrested. Me particularly, it disturbs me. So ubi sam se DNT disturb what the mechanic and say where we are den. So we obi also ye the base supporter of free MPP now called the base. You are also a victim to this unjustable conduct of His Excellency John Darega Dramani Mahama. Upe, you are also a victim. Temiyepa. Don't make it look say because of so ye Kennedy Japan supporter. And I say we the base in Nipantino. And yemafon a jumafon a unlawful artia. Ye de tata Ghana for Ghana my mono won't can be pa. Because first of all, ne arm and oka say. Ye de mra fufure bagana my mo and then the betch the quine befa so ye be bu a man for 10. Yam frewa misa your opinion. And this is for one opinion. And they decided to say about the tribunals. And Ghana minum. And this is that tribunals in we are. Now we are the base in Okopimo ho. Now you chunk was a chenny at Okotuma. Then why never become a sim be the amount. Now more Kennedy Japan supporters are MPP for an and Matimo. Some of you are jubilating. The entire mo jubilate. Ya chicha ma wound to me atum. Ya money 20 years monty bida. Many more womb or mumba be a sorry. A more womb by be a tonoka or moon would your monye. Adentia ya chicha ma wound to me atum. Now I will say me be some more. Entimuni muse kakrabia munya tafri ye under the MPP time. Because of the hard worker, Chama won't to meaning crofobinum ye ya, MPP bar power, and a namswa, Munyaka crata free. Nipa ye come once me binum MPP bremun or mutuminya juma ye ya or muguso or moye, but almost muye the base for ain't see a chichama won't to me or more sa a bones a bushre. Miriam Sami Jasi, the Mwakaba Yepa. They are happy, they are enjoying. Almost so, no pa, me copy platform biso. Me copy platform biso. Now we Nkrophobia or consider more to be MPP for. Now we tell some more kafacha my wound to me arrest no. And some man everyone a num efacha my wound to me arrest no home. Aquabidi empodia say na de okwako boshire okodidi ni yemuye ne ho atono. Na so bisane say ono onim chama won't me 111 say that or see that be. Na said the chama won't to me ye campaign editia Kennedy Agyapong tino. Mimi awe sonko fe mo akwaba. Se chama won't meet me in a nimi ye campaign editia Kennedy Agyapong dia any ono so no. Okwa akwa enjoy akwa jubility say ne chama won't to me ye do akwa koto Nsawam. Hey. Now you people don't know. The issue is in say, Chama won't to me a mature man on Tise Munipana Mudinechino. I'm telling you guys. Because Chama won't to me Munipana Nante in every aspect of life. TME, business term. Connection a Munipa Panino, Papa Panino, or you know, Chama won't to me Nina because they were business partners. Yo. John Gerard Kennedy affiliate Mwakwaba Yepa. Chama Wontumi and Kennedy Japan has been working together. And in some now, Kennedy Japan can edify Chama Wontumi hono. Se Chama Wontumi obi na no e toro te sem munipana. and Chama won't to me spread it out. A lot of issues about Kennedy Agyapong. But Chama won't to me is showing maturity. Chama won't to me want people to know say he is not just somebody easy to leak informations. Chama won't to me is conducting himself to be a rare man, a man with the balls. And the Onimbia, a sembio nympho bia hono, or the Asheni team and a Augustuna or Yen Jumati say the MPP chairman for the Asante region. And Timona Monsereno. Can a Japan supporters name when Yachino? Mona Mosola na Mudi atem. Mona Mosenanado, or no mum atimi a can trach Ghana for such a maun to me yet Garamse. Na and this if I so ye Garamse no. When Nimuna guase, because Mubino Munima can kind, Munimunyansa, Mudi emotion kasa. Because the judgment of the court, no, judgment in a free court for buy, no. But being no kese chama won to me Garamse. And this and another danko kufuad bekachre mo say. Akonta mining is not involved in any Garamsea. It is a fact, and even the NDC government, or MPP government, the judge crowd prove say in fact, Chama won't miss per se, or Akonta mining per se is not an Garamsea entity, but it is a firm mining company. And you'll be mum na kudin kwa someone assassin. Abusia, Mumisaki in Japan Crawford said, dear Ben, you're to jubilate. What are they jubilating? What are they jubilating? Me, I want to know why people are happy. Me, I want me percent here. Dear in Japan Crawford or Mwaniaji or more jubilate on the media. And me na media numa. Assembly amekote yene say Kennedy Agyapong ene papa ye frene afenyo Markins afre Kennedy Agyapong afre John Mahama say onyai sabio ofene den chama wontumi ama yewura Mahama akese dabi on tiasie da on fachama won't to me bonne encheno. But at the same time, Abra yes Kennedy Agyapong afren krofo afred John Mahama say on fachama won't to me bonne encheno no na unyaro no. The same time Kennedy Agyapong supporters are also on the internet jubilating say ya chichama won't to me. So which is which? What is going on here? And na sana broni be kanchro. What is going on here? What is wrong with the people? Pacho temi yepa. Broni baby so say what is wrong with the people? Because you see where these informations are coming from. Now, I don't know. Either say chama wun to me ni huahi ena ye nkrofo yo say your papa yi ena asoma omo in a way so omo make some kind of distance now no so one chant to say the enyo no I don't understand ntase kura sa asem we dem kese metiase ana meboa say ye be chichama wuntumi na MPP for be jubilate MPP for muso mu MPP for muso mu MPP for they are jubilating say ya chicha ma won to me at the same time omo panyina ankasa omo panyini Kennedy Agyapong enam ena opa a chew say yemfa chama won to me ebone enche no na asemwe ye den na yaka ama nipa jedi. Would you take a video when one can say me and I make us listen to this video? Listen.
Be Talimame. Beginning one mentiase, and I want to share with people. Listen, Mami Agrada, till you, Mami Agrada. Mami ni be fire by Bejelinu. No, I can't say to your man Penny John Dramani Mahama. Meboa. Yes. A lot of videos all over. Before the elections, 2 years before the elections, and the year of elections. He insulted President Mahama. Maligned President Mahama. And another by ye jail 15 years. Ye jail Mami Agrada 15 years. According me 8 months. She was released suspiciously. And yes, I demand me buy. Till you. Mammy free jail buy. And will call Prophet Adakwa Yadom. Sorry. Which President Mahama Ukumasia or Kosra Prophet Adakwa Yadom. And everybody knows that Prophet Adakwa Yadom, I may adore no. Be papa be penasem. Opian biso ye ndisi. Mami Agrada call sorry them or call. And she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Just by me you. Yeah, dream wasem. Mami no apologize to President Mahama. Babi wa short nipa bebrebe. Wa malign nipa bebrebe. And then President Mahama nkwana. Yeah, so I apologized to President Mahama. And he apologized to President Mahama. I don't get it. I don't get it. Now, Kamila Al-Hassan. Ababa wana ye jail the last week. Tama. She was first arrested. She was asked to apologize to President Mahama. I'm telling you. When she admitted that day now, because that day she went there without a lawyer. Jamaica what I say. She went there without a lawyer. But she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Now, who share the false news? The charge now. The threshold of the constitution, at the end of the charge, and count the threshold, no, say, at the end of kind of false news, no, a bit cost public order. Jamaica what I say, a bit me cost public morality. Nas ebe koso the national security ebetimi akos on and on and on sadie na okan na nka ho. But she was asked to apologize to President Mahama. Why was she asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. Now are you a free Epijasia Sokore member of parliament? Our year campaign coordinator Edema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e wa Ashanti region. Tama Chema to be issued the bar from. He did a video interview and was say, what can't you press a Chema to me say, what apologize to President Mahama? Tell you, one part President Mahama, the video is all over. Now, Ora Fenyo market. Any a compare with Agyapong, Kennedy of Agyapong. These two people called President Mahama. Just by making you on the phone. And they apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chairman to me. Just by making you. They apologized to President Mahama on behalf of Chairman to me. Chairman to me offending the public, that put it this way, politically. Adentina. President Mahama Nkwana said you panier say or apologize to. I don't get it. All these people I'm talking about had the case. And I don't get it. So when they apologized to President Mahama, Mahama was laughing and said, okay, no problem. And he shared something that Chairman to me said to him. I don't want to repeat it. No problem. But later, Obumi a conversation. About 30 minutes later, the President Mahama sent a video to a phone phone and the Agyapong phone say, just your own people say me jelly ye jelly ye fere say wuntumi obu share video no na ye chema kwasinti jowo from na no onu no video no what tiatia mu si ye jelly wuntumi. Then President Mahama told them that even his own people, your own people, say ye jelly wuntumi. The question that I'm asking is why were they asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. As a logician, the person bisa say any political score settling, and I say a bad impression you put on President Mahama. Say obi already benya sembiano, say di pano onyasamo yi quarter say na esi. I don't get it. Why is it that some Kofona offending the Pabebe, but they were all asked to apologize to President Mahama? I don't get it. When we told the man for, say people should judge. As now me kind. Now, the NPP press conference.
Yes, entertain ye pa. Papa no fanchew. Oye ne bone a asembu kana antona kumbamu a omfa nchew enti Kennedy Agyapong krofo na mo sere papa no mu dwidwi chama wontumi mo bɔ mo nsam no mo hwɛ mo yie pa. Now in this system that Mahama is bringing no, everybody is on edge to be arrested. Enti Kennedy Agyapong krofo, my last thing that I want to tell you on this thing on chama wontumi ne say you say wo we for nsano na wo hwe wo nso de wo ye dan bra wani abra wo we for nsano na wo hwe wo de because one wo de no esepa ye fa we nsi ane enko yanim but wo men release comics if you hoba na ye call on the next topic. Mahama eyaza ye beba sisia
Election with this speech.
Ayeza. Eba mo ase. Ye mo bunyina yuko adwumapa Kraki East Ebo ma NDC. Ye mo wa yuko Ibrahim Kapra. Ebesa adwumapa Kraki East Ebo wo constituency hayi. Ayo bia ni je se ende ya be hia mu ha se be hia mu ha de ba ko pe entina ye ba aye ona ye former vice ye former chairman any hello ayezu ye jina mu ha me mamu nyina yuko se aye ye jina ha ye kwe Ejira ha Ezu Choboy Ane ejira ha numwa President Former Vice President Former President John Dramani Mama Ntine yo hanum Ezu President nti aye be hia mu ha no ye show T region boss ya mo bia kwaba ya mo bia kwaba send the president gira ye nemu hayi T region Kraki East ye abatu aye ba beto
yes abusianfo ye wie memesere nti ye ba na enemo abedi nkomo yento aso na yenko yanim abusia yewura Mahama dana ne ho indi amen yewura Mahama wadana ne ho indi amen abusia ya chi maame bia na asem ye memobo saa maame bia ya chi no na asem eye memobo saa yese maame no akoka asem bi ana me no so ntima yewura Mahama achi no pacho muntie video no nyina
Siaba, ati se Lordina. Me ye kwasiaba me hu hwam papa. Me kunu atena me ho so many years. Na enso Lordina, me kunu kwafa amechi da wo. Enso Lordina, enam se na ha mu kankan ti. Ene ne ho ne ho kankan ene ne moto mu kankan ene oni good smelling scent intino ne kunu bie so rough of ma ya no bo ma todwa papa no wo ya mavio
Asabwe ena mami we eka ye in her TikTok video. Na mami we ka asem we ye na Yewura Mahama ama yakoche no. Na I want you people to listen to asema mami we eka ye. Abra ye ko jeri no for 1 year. Mpacho de tie.
The big six. Party. So me, Mama One, I stand for my party, and I will die for my party. God is my witness.
Mpacho ye nyina ye TV pa. Ho. India mean. Papa we yankana semo. Yankana asem kura. Na enti akufado ho no ono no oyedua na so yedade me kwesi asaba me akwa aba enti yewura na nado danko akufado de oyedade oyedua oni atinka wonimu oni atinka ensema ndisi fo kandi gu papa we so atema ndisi fo di that na nado danko akufado me kaya ko bi kura na ote ofene den Germany Gabia wakaba okaba bi ya. Di attempt to the point say he pointed another to be chimpanzee. Asamba na Kevin kwasi ampanyini tera anka amfanya ira na nando danko akufuado ho. Asamba na Freeman abayo bi yese fere Lodina Mahama ba. Nsembe na nkrofo we yanka amfa na nando danko akufuado Rebecca mami Rebecca ho. Ensembe na yankamfa sabio Samira Bawumia ho ye kaya kan ye twantro edidi atem kan se Samira kura no onye Ghana ni ba ye di atem ye se Samira kura po de se de okoba bi mpo na ye de one full Land Cruiser edi ni makeups etukwai edi na chi Nanado danko akufuado ye twi na nim to the point say ye sanka to ne so say ono mpo ne kum ne yera owu ya mpacho temi ye pa Kevin Tere jina ne platform so kan kire Nanado ne yewura o say tutu papa me bodra mama na mama me mu e kan kire won say omo kohyiwi wo manhia Kevin Tera kan say Jubilee House hono omu eho ye base ba bia ye hyiwi enye no nko a NDC supporters yo mugu Ghana mamu omu nko ba bia omu ka de yenka e de kire Nanado nanso Nanado a oye batampa na odone ma ti asema Nanado kai ti
negativity. So that's why I'm not planning for we are control radio. So they do attempts all day, all night. I was so because we could say, hey, I don't person for once a man, and all of these things. But they don't disturb me and they don't derail me. They don't divert me from the project ahead of.
Yes, entity. Listen to what Nanado said. Nanado so beda so na pana amamfo edi na tem. Miyamba di ma wotie me. Me no amienu nyina. We cannot say enye nokore se na amamfo di Nanado atem. But listen to what he said. Listen to the answer this man gave to the insulter. And this is for sure that amamfo ka on the media to insult Nanado. Ye kaya the kofra the whole tribe, the whole ethnic group. Achem for head to almost somewhere Achem Sakawa for said by the then opposition leader. Nothing happened to him. Yeah, kreti and tokwa between Agyapong for and Asante for. Na yewura or say to two nyansani nimdefo ena eka ne ho hye ye ekire se enipa baakofo nko enka nyesa enka NDC would have hide behind Domahene to cause an ethnic conference between Ashanti and Bono. Yenyina yenim say it was an agenda of the NDC. In fact, Domahene eye jeja yamani mu ekosoro. But what happened? We stood in this country and nobody was arrested. Ye kaya to the point say ye mami Rebecca kra awa onyanwo ye kra ye kandi chana da pa. What happened? But because of atemdie kakra bi a yedi kodi yewura Mahama nintino yen kwachi oba no emfare nkotum afe baako adentie wadi lori na Mahama tem adentie wadi lori na Mahama tem na wa hu yese nka wona woye adebone a ente se no nka ye de be you should not even take it in consideration. But Mahama has become unbecoming. I want you to listen to video. Yura Mahama breso ti asem letter ono ankasa etwereye ede koma Yura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and understand how hypocritical, how hypocrite, how John Mahama is a trickish guy.
Mahama's letter. Dear President Nana Akufo-Addo, I am appalled at the growing criminalization of speech and journalism in Ghana under your watch in this 21st century. An investigative journalist was murdered under very troubling circumstances. Yet while the Ghanaian people and the international community have demanded justice, government's inability or unwillingness to act is obvious to all. The police have virtually shelved the investigations into this brutal murder. There have also been several disturbing incidents of harassment of journalists in the line of duty. We have witnessed media establishments close down on your instructions despite many appeals to you. Now, in a space of less than 2 weeks, 4 people have suffered police action criminalizing their right to free speech. As Attorney General at the time, who led the repeal of the criminal libel law in order that citizens could freely express their views, it is unconscionable to be suppressing the rights and criminalizing the speech of citizens and journalists. It is even more worrying when the power of the state is used as a pliant tool in the this intimidating endeavor. Radio and TV presenter, he mentions them, Captain Smart, he mentions Ohineba Barnier, he mentions Mensa Thompson, as I said, and he says a whole lot. I'll read just his conclusion. This is a dangerous blueprint you are fashioning for our dear nation, and it must not be encouraged. Your actions as president have totally discredited your self-acquired accolade as a human rights lawyer and activist. Ghana has long emerged from the unfortunate past where journalists were cowed by incarceration and brutalization. I fear that if you do not take immediate action to arrest this unfortunate trend, when you exit the high office of president in January 2025, freedom of speech and a free media will certainly be counted as part of the legacy you leave behind. Your brother, John Dramani Mahama. You are missing this power.
Antitio, Yura Mahama brought your position. No, or in a letter with the Koma Yura Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Nanado Abreso, your crucial radio stations. Nanado Abreso, journalist Binum Yachiomo. Nanado Abreso, and Crofobit is a Captain Samantha Mati and no Pani and Yumre. Yet Transidi Dimpo in Fatemo radio show. His Excellency John Mahama saw that time as what? As a part of a free speech. He saw that one as the right of the citizens. But then, His Excellency John Mahama Bedi Akunyai. And Crawford do send I am free one to the Yoko. just for threatening, just for intimidation. But when Mahama was in opposition, he was telling Nana to say he is using the state power to intimidate people. What are we seeing today? Nano Camila, the TikToker, Yamani 1 year, Mami way, another 1 year. Dear na Mamene Kaye, Camila Sembe no Kaye. Asema obi aka so onu ye ndisi ni ndisi fo abone pa amana kumu nantwie di ahye fom enamanu sunti MPP folu su election na obi nso be react to that video uja the creative who did the video, the original video no who ja no to ho na waba be chi de or comment ya na say o creative reaction on that video. Where do you how does this work in the minds of the people? How does this work? How does it sound in the minds of the people? But show to me here. How do you want this thing to sound in the minds of the people? We also mount to once say, and that the year menoka say, we are in a serious crisis of leadership. Because the leadership that we have today, leadership now, it is not for the right or for the good being of anyone. It is only for the only aim to make them and their friends, their family to feel free. That is all what they want to do. They don't care about you. Forget about that. Say they are thinking about you. Don't talk, because the scandals in Sema Ekoso party way na mamuno. If they allow everyone to talk, Mahama will run out of seat before even the 4 years will come. Enti yenkuma manfo, yentichi amanfo, ye intimidate amanfo na yentake the country into our hands. Yento aso na yenko yanim to another saying segment. And the woman no. India means your Mahama. Don't talk about me. If you talk about me, I will let them arrest you. Papa ne di kind by. Oboye kuko. Okachire said they are going to use IP address to arrest anyone. Namunum so di agro. Samanwe. Oka na waka. Oka so be di bonia. Nothing will stop him from doing sin. Yanto aso ne yanko yanim. Say. The new segment no. Ntro nkontompone ntro eni aza Pastor menu nyina na ekan 23rd of July 2026 ade wey CT FM 97.3 and the publish here. Or say, Vanderboy, or say, over 5,000 jobs created under drips. This is an achievement of the NDC. 5,000 jobs created under drips. Drip project. Way a achievement of the NDC. Fatu team Yepa. And this for create a juma. Omo create no. Under drip machines no. There are another cover by NDC for say a no. And the NDC, the same NDC is what? It's actually or born and one for hene. Say or buy a way juma. The juma why say the drip machines send Nanado Danko Kufuado de buy I number no suntia na no ye Fred. Miracle Sabuaji, echo yoku se we disikano. Sa juma na Miracle Sabuaji ye or Monday cofa drip machines by ya. Na no ye feni se we sikano. And the NDC for the two on who say they have created jobs under drip machines. But the drip machines never na attachment in who say about the fa and crofo at every district to work with the drip machines. That was the plan of the MPP. These guys are just empty. They are just benefiting from the effort MPP are buying Edigu Kwaimo. This is a clear evidence of what I'm talking about. So if the drip program, no, drip project, no, it create employment. Now it is a young can say jubilation for the NDC there. Then it makes me understand say they are completely empty. Because drip machines are exclusively project of MPP and everything attached to drip machines. Drip project, it is supposed to be given a credit to the MPP and no other political party. Now, yentu asuni yenko yenim na yenti enkontompo ene nabraba.
Say review, I mean to improve. And the first thing we'll do is to abolish the double track.
We will abolish the double track system.
Exactly. And I've said that when I become president, within 1 year, we'll cancel the double track. We'll be able to let all the children go to school at the same time.
7 January 2021. I bet 7 January 2022. Not double track no year for you.
A few moments later.
By 2029, we should be done with double track.
Enti abushanfo yantuwase meba. So what was aza na me video ya me tie ye. Yewura Mahama ni video na o kasa no. I asked myself one question. Yewura Mahama can say bi say omo bedi akonwa in the first year they will abolish double track. Na obema enkwada no nyina atumi akọ school abom. Na so kese reviewer it means better learn. Say oya de any year. Me yamba ma. Question me bisa me hono say. Nti sa abre no mu no. Ghana fa no mu tie Yewura Mahama na sema na oka. What was their main problem about the free education? And I said, what was their main problem? Say, what was their main problem concerning their children going to school? First question. Now, I said their problem, and I said their difficulties in having or giving access of education to their children. No? Na say omone nkwada abeko omone nkurade nyina abeko school abom ana say the difficulties in their busua hodo no na how they can take care of their children in the school. I don't know if I'm making sense or if how I'm expressing myself. I mean tiasie se na nkrofo na omutie Yewura Mahama no omu problem on education na say omo ma ne nkrofo ma omu nyina abeko school at once and also omu problem is say how they can get quality education to their children at a free cost. Me am here as a conscious man. Me to catch you say the issue would have been kwanya mefa so amenya me babenya school akọ, even though if I'm not a rich person. But kwanya Yewura Mahama fa so kasa chire Ghana for no. It was like the main problem of education. No, it was kwan ben so na ebefa so ankura ni nyina abeko school. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. How can Obiawu free education while fighting against it every time in your life? Etumikase, the budget allocated for free education is too much. Ejina platform so come a man for bone some amount. How can me conscious man like me metna ho? I'm abe can't say you are coming to do it better. Na dem yare, my bodam. Ibi ha mitiana. But Ghanaians remain there and they allow themselves to be manipulated, mentally controlled and commanded. People refuse to think as a human being. People refuse to reason. People refuse to have a critical thinking on what they hear in their minds. Obi the free education aba. Obi say impossible. Nipa na say impossible. Or say impossible. After he see the sources, or no be can't say he's going to do it better. Now what JD akoto abama. Or no be can't say he's going to solve a problem in 1 year. Now what JD na akoto abama no. Omunya abano mudi nkunimu wiye no. We are in 2026. Mahama has already governed more than 1 year, 1.5 years. The double track system, no, ho. Double track system, no, ho. Na enye omo fedi o. Omo asen timi aba bonten ba be kan kire wo bie mu se. Se woto abama ye na 2029 ene ebetumi astopo tio mami akwanya na minni me bere we enkopem 2028 eduru ho na woto abama me in 2029 de mebo modern say me stop double track abusia mi aba nima se wo have them any the amount of money and now to push into free education, the MPP idea of free education. If the MPP is in power, by now, I can tell you, say, double tax system would have ended. Now, say, can you end the crana? It could have been a preferred method. And now, when so much crana, there be a ye. Go on, do more. One would do more. Unyante the echo, my man can't sing Binchino. You are another. The sponsoring of the free education. One kwanko jisika mframa none. One kobobusia free babia. Oyo na yetu ni Ghana no. Eye oyo no sika. Ena yewura Mahama, yewura nanado danko Akufo-Addo decided say he will make sure say every Ghanaian or say he will make sure say every Ghanaian will benefit from the oil. So all the school, the free SHS policy were founded by only internal generated revenue. Just say, "Omainu musikana bi," and I yede free SHS so. But then NDC for buy, almost omo kwa kobobosia a free amanone na omo di ababa manage the free education. Echira will say they lack management, economical management. They lack that. Entine ye kobobosia di ababa ye free SHS. Enti se kobobosia ne ba na sika ne sa free SHS will gone. This is what happened when you vote for an incompetent people to come and lead you. Tie Samijam free entro.
For Mumrini, say first Allah.
The Mahama can and run men's gold can.
They are all parts. Yes, all financial institutions. Not pretend this for
including men's gold.
Yes, of course. All of them, all those.
No, are you certain about that? Because details.
I am telling you, they are all parts.
Men's gold.
Wherever they are listening to me now, I am speaking in my capacity as communications officer of the party. All of them are covered under this promise. They will all be paid back
in 1 year.
Nothing that they be a men's gold accept. And the men's gold for will be BT on one.
Oh, many people
Ghana for Ghana for say
something like
come on. Ebi kura no omapenye Akufo-Addo award or de ko be man one pictures on ni ko twitwa ye na ma omunya adwuma ni mugidie di omusika koto and let's actually enchemesi no musika ahia aban o wa abadaye disaster si o manfo obre ebi mu ahia mo ho akonfo ebi mu nya ho mojabro so dia nko na bro so 70 mintua
ba onim say men's gold near MFI any financial institution in the right sense of the word
ni nyina ye ka no we mean liberally o mu nyina manfo sika na ka.
A few moments later.
Sisi oma koda
on train election time, then they come back to us. The previous government almost hope that is and we have trust in Mahama government. Now look at what they are doing.
So as you're saying,
nobody is coming to our aid. No government official is coming to our aid. So we see it as a scam.
So we all can say
government has come here
because of the government in President Mahama.
Yes, because of this kind of one time Butuma.
Sauti osi jo Mahama buying a scam no. Sami Jafina no den. Mon koto abama Mahama men's go to Fonyina. Even though men's gold was a criminal institution, no, criminal one can say agency, no. Because of power, and Sami Jamfi was lying to Ghanaians and said, Mon koto abama Mahama, ye buy a bit of musikama. We all heard what the woman said. I see they feel say they have been scammed. Bajo tell me yepa. I see they feel say they have been scammed. So the whole frame of John Mahama's administration a scam. Common initiative. They don't have solid initiative a benefited the youth in the country. They can't. They can't think beyond box. They can't think beyond simple things to bring in things. Listen to this thing. Also, you want to bring 24-hour economy. Obaye, nyankopon adom, obi di nimde ni nyansa atnase hu se company se ba o man Ghana mu abaye business. Ye ma omo tax yen kan say ye bo omo tax me tete omo tax so ma omo a many people will come. Omo bedro mbanye sika I install omo companies na omo atumi afa amanfo adwuma na production akoso. And if 1D 1F. Obi also be so implement 24-hour economy. No, ubetina konwam no. Initiative yanka ebetimi the spinal cord of one 133 na ama no. Oba wo se ehun hia. Wo the politics nti watwem. Ena onam ena wo sato pa. Se uyi yankopon aye. Onamo ena wo sato pa. Yankopon Ayabotre. Yanto asure nku ya nimtie.
Kitty project. We actually have a project called Nkukon Kitty. The Nkukon Kitty project will cover 55,000 households producing eggs and fresh poultry for the market, and it will help reduce our $300 million we spend on importing chicken annually.
A few moments later,
some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest, so that it becomes.
Honorable Minister, that's the trending story, that they are eating the birds. Yeah. You've seen it. That trending story I've just mentioned.
It's trending?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That they are eating the birds.
Oh, okay.
What is your render? And Pajo Sawatio, Mahama, one of his biggest policy. Pajo Temiyepa, Mahama, one of his biggest policy was here and go conquer. To send confirm no mutuko Burkina Faso no. Or the jinani, or the jina wasa for him. Why your policy? Why jine? Why ye jumadrian jina kope new idea diaba? And then they say, yam fan kukoman getting koma a man for so or more. Now I don't know why Ghanaians are wondering. John Mahama Kaya say, then kukon keti project no. Yede moabe bremo na moaye omo nyine a omo wo anama tomo we no nyine na maku omo awe ono ane kan ye osi ye mutumi ku omo etwitwa omo ton agiska go mboto. This is what John Mahama said to you guys, but you people are conducting yourself as you say you have forgotten what the man told you. He meant what he told you. He meant what he told you. and an for so the man. So no worry. That is the biggest policy. Nkoko buon keten kokon keten. Ejina so kotoaba Edma Mahama. A country that wants to move forward in 2016. People are thinking about kokon keten. People are thinking of so money nkoko beda fee in 2016. Hey, Abusia, we have a long way to go. A minimum to kwa ombefa so ombeko Mars, ombeko Jupiter. Omobeko offense planet ya yenko hoda. Namo de mumubi no motiga na mamu twene kwa ombefa so a mone enkoko beda the same house. Why? Mutumi transfer the way when mu vote. Yanto ado. Na voter region for one. Omo the video where tie. Udi yanto wa se na tie video no yina.
That His Excellency the President's second coming to power is a revival for the voter region because
voter region you na do year juma trema sebio some other regions. I can't say didn't na do year juma wa voter region no. Listen to what this clueless NDC assemblyman is saying.
When we lost power in 2016, I went into opposition. The development of the voter region went into coma. In fact, there was absolutely no development in the region. The second coming of His Excellency President Mahama.
Flashback. Undoubtedly, it is during the administration of Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo that Adaklu district had the first police station constructed, which subsequently led to the construction of an office accommodation for a district police commander. It is true that this administration, Adaklu district, has seen the construction of the first third road leading to the district capital. It is also true that under your administration, a district court with accommodation for judges has been constructed. Mr. President, the district shall have a district hospital by 2024 under the Agenda 111 initiative. The soil has been cut and construction work is ongoing speedily. As if that is not enough, it is true that under your administration, the district is enjoying the first pipe-borne water system. An answer to our ancestors' cry and prayers. We are eternally grateful, Mr. President. Today, as you commission this water system, permit me to refer to the Igbo proverb, "He who brings cola brings what? Life," and state that he who brings water brings life. You have brought life to the people of Adaklu, and on dependence on rivers as well as streams, especially for drinking, has become undoubtedly.
Ono se na Nando Dankwa Akufo-Addo aban anye hwe since NDC lose election 2016 voter region in Kosovo etiba form batene enam yewura Mahama na juma pa all yentino and ne voter region afa ne ntoma pafira but da bia me kan asem bi o sa this time no politics na nye kankwa asem na ko nsem a ekoso no ye woni nyina ne videos wo ho so when it comes to the time we will show you the video and you understand how stupid you are. Voter for amoto abama and NDC for many years. Common boho senye na nado anka ensu a yefre ni boho kurano enka munni bi wo mo. Video doesn't lie. Papa no okasa no ye voter ni ontumi nintro enchire obia. But NDC have a way. NDC has a way to change the narrative, to make people think different. I don't know. Now, as never called, you see, charity begins at home. Here are John Mahama, Nikrum, hospital beds, or Munyabi no Mwaja Yarefo. Here video.
Now to the health sector. Some facilities in the northern region say persistent infrastructure and equipment deficits continue to undermine the delivery of quality healthcare services. The Savlugu Municipal Hospital and the Tamale Technical University Hospital, which collectively serve thousands of patients each year, cite inadequate hospital beds, limited maternal health infrastructure, and shortages of essential medical equipment as major challenges affecting patient care. Our Northern Bureau Chief, Shawana Yusuf, reports.
For years, health professionals at the Savlugu Municipal Hospital and the Tamale Technical University Hospital have had to improvise in providing health care because of inadequate infrastructure and shortages of essential medical equipment.
Maternal referrals from health centers and CHIP compounds and from 4 to 5 adjoining districts sometimes is overstretched with resources, and all these have an effect on our equipment.
Fortunately, we've been able to work around it to ensure that any patient that needs service or emergency care, we take care of them, regardless of whether there's a bed or not.
To help address some of these challenges, Oxfam in Ghana, through its implementing partner, NOSAG, and with funding support from Global Affairs Canada, donated medical equipment and essential supplies to selected health facilities,
addressing some of the gaps. And those gaps included the material that we have presented today. And those materials actually include delivery beds, as I mentioned. They also include maternity beds.
Yes, and Yura Mahama say on the priority any 24-hour market, but on one case any chrome. Common bed the credit be receive patient the cra be anyhow. Abusian for within any Mr. Mafo. Ras media and I made a ma hote edini. Me the move see and answer na me coming but the would afa adie way home na ya ready ye.
Ever thought about support?
Yantobase. Me say uwo Italy muha, uwo European country biamu, na opese won supporto, wunye bi owo Ghana, na mun kreti business a. We do, eye organization a, obe supporto, coaching and everything, plus money, capital to start your business. Yen video kitwa we, video we see my be phone last na to. So here video now you're interested that you can call my number, we can talk about it. You can go to the site we do, and you can do some research. Who we are, who to me frame na mama guidelines. Kwaya obefa so a wonsa ebe to me aka part obetu wonsa ebe to me aka capital from this organization. And your first timer, you can get up to €3,000 for free. Every video we are near beautiful last night too.
Ever thought about supporting a small business or entrepreneur back home? It's easier and more effective than you think. Meet Kofi. Kofi lives in Germany and wants to support Afia's fashion business in Ghana. To meet growing demand, Afia needs new sewing machines and more workers for her workshop. But it's hard to get funding. They both register on wedo.africa. After Afia uploads her investment plan, she receives professional one-to-one business coaching to make her business sustainable. Kofi sends Afia €250. Afia matches the amount and uses the joint investment to buy the new machines. After she uploads her receipts, WeDo doubles the total amount with a grant of €500. so Afia can finally get the help she needs and focus on growing her business. Again, she uploads her receipts and photos. It's that easy. You can do it too, up to 3 times, for small entrepreneurs in any industry.
Yes, Abusia, we a German government officially sponsored project. Bra, hey, we NDC new, we MPP new, we Ghana new kwa. Now we are manone European countries. Now person we business. One support we be with fear na we business. It is a video where I hear a channel ye how it works. And you say you discover at the amount na you have to participate. So some faka camera na association also for being count now to middle business. Are you free? Yes, say about coaching on how strategically with mama business no akonanim. Everything is for free. Number na that's your no. Utumi frɛ na why then what bisa the opebia. Sanso no betumi afrɛ number way. Na won so de akyerɛ wadwen. Ewe ne ensama me de ebrewe. Ya be phone last na tum. Ya train course. But meanwhile, the
election with this speech.
Agyapong East Ebo ma NDC. Yamawa yuko Ibrahim Kakra. Ebisa Agyapong East Ebo wo constituency hayi. Ayo bia ni gise ende ya be hia mu ha. Se be hia mu ha de ba ko pe entina ye ba aye ona ye former vice ye former chairman. Any hello Ayezu ya jina mu ha me mamu nyina yuko se aya ya jina ha ye ya kwe ya jina ha Ayezu ase choboy ana ya jina ha no mu present former vice president former president John Dramani Mama Antine Yohanum Ayezu aye president nti aye be hia mu ha no ya shauti region bosse Yamobia kwaba Yamobia kwaba send the president jira ye nemu hayi oti region Krachi East ye abatwa ye babeto expa.
Yes, Yamobia kwaba usu tumi fe na wa kire wadwen Yamobia kwaba former president aspect nyanto wase meba nyanto ayemo a menhu de menka abusiamfo Ras Media GH on YouTube. Obviously, likes no who hear me pa. Muma likes no and no so. Na yenko yanim. Platform way a platform I de boda uro ede apetumi ede ama MPP. Iti mesele wa oba now MPP niya. What you can do to support me? And then so be share video no obe like na wa comment so. Na wa ma good signal on the video. Yemfa adofo kakra a won so no wo frɛ e de a kyerɛ won adwene em so bi emfrɛ nti amem frɛ the fire brand na yemane emfa ensem kakra emeja yen na yenko yanim ha ye Ras Media GH mame memo akwa ba yie pa
I hope so because my best temper also last time I catch you say there was the internet in rules papa and Wi-Fi. You and someone who show you and someone who boss you especially I got no autistic owner or become say to me and a fine people saying to me how friendly publicly. who and who did whom to me offended? Say, who ya dear, who ye who to me to from making only would be Abraham Kasa. Dear, and this to move and now President Mahama appointee. At the man for Ghana, especially Ananado, who fled the whole ethnic group so Omuya Sakawa Mafia. Yes. Huh? Mr. Mafu? Yeah. What did now the whole ethnic group so Omuya Sakawa Mafia? Now, who and then what Barbara who say no lips, no soul to speak, they should all band down their head in under your feet. Yes. As India me. Eboa. India me can see a brand. The papa was one me. Now, or Colonel Musa or your Christian. Be put in and then attack or yet the most dangerous devil liar. Eh? Bambara Akro Kosino Ponsam Kasepa Mr. and Mahama. Only open some Katrem, my different beard. He speaks as the devil, his tone sounds as the devil, everything about him sounds as the devil. Who throw a letter, Epoma, Excellency, and I say, or media. Yeah. Now, or yes, say, or how media for no, but if you say, when another time on, you person what you want. And it's a see a Mahama time or buy, and you person what you want. Say, and it's in the Emma may refer, say, the Katrama, and you open some difference here. The best house is what catcher President Mahama say. One Shwana at Damema, a Omuna Demono. Not what Tiani Dasono, Mahama Azim one, or Neb Bema. Yes. To some second, because for your Bema pa, or your Bema, and Kagana need beer dinner Tama, Onka Sada. Nagana wants to Omundi at Tamo, and yet criticize or no end this one or criticize another. It's the same thing, and Nagana wants to get Mahama. So what will they arrest for? Huh? It's a matter. Arrest now or arrest Ghana for what is it for? Because I know you and this is a compare. Bonishua, Shwana Dameman, Bonibi. Or he began politics. Or set the power na ya diamano and or intimate and go for. To me now, or management and what you bring now, mamma. Who should I blame, Mr. Mafu? The voters. Thank you. It's not and national television, so no more Kasa and show woman as I own to me, I'll offend you a bit. But you want to be offended will be no family in Iran. Want to be drop on Sistema, don't the man Mahama Tam send your D ethnic group get some would be Mahama Tamata. Ye be sacked. Ghana for we should learn how to tell the truth. We should learn how to speak. So yes, I know. Now you do what time and you bring. Because me doing to me this and some more our national television now and for Mahama treatment for the mom. I believe it. Yeah, of course. It's not lying. Yeah. Want to be on dintro and then so old. It's a person me chilo say. And some more Kenyano or Mundaka. Na and throw no open deep Ghana for say they will abolish you can't say double track. You were school year, you are multiplying. Double track. Double track, no. Woman come with them. The car or trauma at the pad for the woman or pad.
to me, 200 million for, hey, a year is
okay.
Is this a candle or spend day or part or saying this is a
Yo, it's Ghana for that Mahama na Mustrono. It's the move to mean Kano Cressa, the Namo Kano Cress, Eddie Dina Nabwa, and Mema. Men from man, I mean from Kodobesian, I mean from Mema. Men from Kodobesian, I mean from Mema. Won't come on to among your Mema. You see, a boy of some of my boy the other day, Bonibi. Of some MP for an act of and will be a cassa, but the truth is hanging on the air. The whole world is watching Mahama. I mean, the most funny things. Okay, I'm back at all. Family and I do sit at Sidrana. And me, we can't say, Dr. Bidium Kobo. Ah, okay, say, if I know one plan, and if I see Cathedral, I'm and the doctor for me, and some, yeah, for some who come to cut and see. I can see, for the Sapia can see. It is say, Mama, doctors, not a dear politics, air coastal, Tama won't be jelly or one jelly. Paul, I do want to walk and I'm cautious and I'm saying. Now, doctors, no, at last, they show me now, Momuka say. I deal with any papa. Your mother, Tama, and your papa, a pure politics. Yes, I'm not jelly, papa. A profukura, we are doctors, well said. A pure calculating politics, and I'm getting this out. Now, what is the hope? Now, must say, what is your mind? Now, must sorry, openness, one of the two women here. Ah, me feel so, ye bema. It's not matter. Now, when we are matter, would the answer sacrifice in Europe? And I'm to be intimidating MPP. Shayaba Papa and I would not see I'm with the MPP. I found you for it. Borrow. You are what I can don't walk what I will. Trasani Yamuye MPP. Can MPP do the same thing to you people? No. Ye be some. Can MPP do the same thing to you people? No. Because some of the bra and the year Juma. Now a crobia, Mr. Mafu, and blending. That's the citizens, and follow and bounded by the law. Again, and look in a Ghana put see or move from the person is to so be or to diaspora. The move is that diaspora, a Jimmy Funiana. Who for some Quasiafuniana? But me, you were the way you be treating me because of Miss Calendar. But to me, I'm the upper cat, but I'm a minister, you know, no, my ye. It could be Unquasiafu, but they buy by the law. And you may me make show, and I'm a bad friend, the man. And look after you, I had done on the brown fontaine never had to grow. For the past 1 month, the police would deep your street, so I call a strength and your free Sabia. I be careful, Nibia Babet, I can't be careful, but yes, every other area, and no more helicopter, or would not stop, but me helicopter, I did not stop more than 30 minutes at home. Shocking. Nimby in a papa. It's a minute by the peer, Yana Obama Moto, and the Moo Yedi, and for Moot to call ye. The Sabbath said the man are crying the Sabbath the mouth, must my abba. Because the BSC area has said, now why wouldn't Sabbath will be asked and there will be a yet to say Ghana will be a woman to come on my power, there will be our one there. Oh, it's a time Ghana for say, Mumma and your Juma. Mumma and your Juma. Not police one now. Would you get Madame Zopina? You can't say, yeah, as a man of the innocent people. Move, Bruno, the uncle and I'm feeling guilty.
the economy has been criminally
managed. But you Mahama, the LNC. You so what you pass deep in your heart, then I'm out of what you just go. Who will come out of what Baba who want the man? Papa, yes, so. It's a Kayan, and a people man, and I'm a public, and I make cut that sunny. Come and Mubaya, can you my yet? Many opportunities for and what of course you understand. So is all this going on in Africa, in Ghana? Let me say yes. It's going on. So what's your fear? Now what Baba what say? Who to fear? Now person who is free. So now Baba Jacob, no answer. Ye beside John Draman Mama. What would you sure let the command and not say on the media for? And then again, away. Ye beside Papa, again, away. What yet the most 10,000 once that said you walk inside and amado. It's Philippa Papa. The second coming with a new woman, Papa. And no one said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia says my foot will be a book in the green furniture on cafe or Yanchi will be because no one knew. Musikum Nanado Maye, Bawumia with Doko, or yes, then you now appear to me and carry. Says Mahama, because no Omuye call for Omusia come with the mouth. They were service to you to insult your opponent, to disgrace your opponent to the whole world. By your opponent didn't utter a word. No single word or utter it. Who friendly, the crap said, or we attack a woman. But I never also want to know who's break and a glass. Or between a TikTok and watching the social media and what can't back one. What me just to car. So I had a Bollica crowd to come here for family. So I'm going to go here. They say that who got nothing. No one said the new leader of a Bafu MPP. But nothing, no one said. Then you are good here. Your sister was second coming. Who be that legacy with the respect and legacy with and dear man will be the cast for pay second coming. Why, yeah, but with second coming, the first one who cried the day. Oh, when you go out there with the echo. The piano not the year, you have to solve open. But you can't do it. And you're natural given by God. Nyansa, and it's the way you need for what you need a good donor. It's naturally given by God. It's called a wisdom. If you don't have one, you don't have one. So, this year you buka and you buka. So, that you Bawumia, Ebeka Sayama for 4 police person. I did say NDC, social media actors for the Mokabo. What I was going to say, I would go for Cassette Bawumia. Daddy, who ye kangaroo copy, kangaroo court, and a warrior. The officer on it, over score, political score.
Equalization.
But I say
equalization or equalizing.
Bawumia, you also. Wow, who's the neighbor from the Senate? Who's the Papa? Who can't Papa? No. Because for you, instead, a leadership is set by example. You criticize the one who missed the city and not a man speak straight up revenue. Would you kaya? When, what's the number? And then the church away leader. What was set to me after? And so we see the citizen. Huh? What was it to me after? And I will intimidate citizens now. On Wakasa to about the mouth. When you make Ubebu South. Ghana was so dear. Motiwa, Mukasa, Yaki, Namawu, Modern, especially among a Canada Agyapong group. Ya Musumano, Momatano, I have been a can, Musumano. Mamu so much, I'm a wound to me. said the man ya one thing and then what so onyame born who ban one son ya dear that the biara echo at the cost of what we do and not bia or some for the just sama wood na kopo on register and famano no one born who ban kopum say you be bia but and no no bia who born fire much ama wood ya original for because that affording and then na dia obetumi e dia e den abon no ban no wo sia hodia e dia no wo so wo bia odi bibia bi o wo japade kwa no ni nkwa no ni ahodia ana wo die ayalesa o die japade na ye den ya se e so bia wo bia sia wo pompa ye de man se mo mompa na mo so amoto wo na mo sre kama wo no because ya chena to mo sre mo wo se Jerusalem ma mo nya dai
when
so amamu yeah ayame musu matama wu nyakopon obeyi lesri mo nyakopon ebetse abo odidua ekwan a opa etimu kase na mu duro mamu nyere chama wu tumi ho mu amu boste mu amu jene mu amani age mu etese yete no mako wigines ne inkibabo no monwe ne be famu ye na be twemu nyina amuka sedi pati na me wona ayu o papa o just call by his name with the truthful and good heart o baba bejo tani ye bisadi ma chama wuti o kurasefo sama for good night with us
amen ka ya maame Esther K Barima ena yete nka abusua eha Ras Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. It won't be see now trying Yankopon ya adoma ya sign ehia meden chia kese ma miwia John Jerry Gerard Kennedy afri ye miwia Ivan Sankama miwia kwesi Samoa sanso na miwia Wersom Osmani Sami Jasi mechiao miwia ba Nana Akua Afro papa bi mechiao ye pa sanso na mema Esther K Barima mechiao ye pa mechiacha dofo nyina miwia kwesi asamu amacha ene kwaku amwako michache mu nyina mede mo besia na o twan Yankopon ya adoma ya san ahia biem until we meet again adios makramo